Welcome to this tutorial on how to add friends on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. From the main screen, look for the icon that represents your account or profile, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Once you are in your profile, find the option labeled Invite Friends. This section may also show you the current rewards or bonuses available for inviting friends. Tap on Invite Friends to proceed. You will see various options for how you can share your invite link to friends, including through text message, email, or social media platforms. Choose your preferred method to share your invite. Once you select an option, the app will generate a unique link that you can send to your friends, inviting them to join Robinhood. Make sure your friends know to use the link when signing up, as this will allow both you and your friends to enjoy any available rewards offered by Robinhood. After your friends have signed up using your unique link, you can track their progress and any rewards you both earn through your profile. This feature not only enhances your social trading experience, but also allows you to connect with others while investing. Enjoy sharing and collaborating with your friends on Robinhood.